Today I'm diving deep into my personal experience using Mary Kay, a brand that's been around for decades and is still one of the most talked about names in beauty, especially in the network marketing world. Whether you've been approached by a consultant or you're genuinely curious about their products, I'm going to show you exactly what you can expect. I've spent the last few months trying out their skincare and makeup, and while some things impressed me, others didn't quite live up to the hype. The website is clean and professional, but also heavily geared toward encouraging people to become independent beauty consultants. The product range is fairly extensive. They've got everything from foundation and lipsticks to anti-aging serums and cleansers. I started with their Timely skincare line, which is one of their most promoted collections. The cleanser felt nice on the skin, and the moisturizer absorbed quickly without leaving a greasy residue. However, I noticed a strong fragrance in many of their skincare products, which could be a deal breaker if you have sensitive skin. Navigating the website to make a purchase wasn't as intuitive as I expected. You're required to connect with a consultant in most cases, which adds an extra step that not everyone is going to appreciate. Some people might like the personal attention, but I personally prefer straightforward online shopping without extra hoops. Pricing is mid to high range, which puts it in competition with major department store brands. Unfortunately, in terms of ingredient quality and effectiveness, it didn't always measure up. Many useful links you can find in the description. As for the makeup, the foundation had decent coverage and lasted most of the day, but I struggled with shade matching. There isn't a virtual try-on tool, and that makes it difficult if you're ordering online without a consultant's help. Their lipsticks were creamy and had a nice color payoff, but the eyeshadow palette I tried lacked pigmentation and staying power. I tried better for less. Shipping was fast, but returns are handled through the consultant, which adds another layer of complexity. The big elephant in the room is that Mary Kay operates as an MLM, or multi-level marketing company. That means most of the sales are made through individual consultants, who also try to recruit others into the business. While some people have found success with it, there are countless stories of former reps losing money on inventory or being pressured to sell aggressively to friends and family. Personally, I found that aspect uncomfortable and not worth the hassle. It detracts from the product experience and makes the brand feel more like a sales machine than a beauty company. Customer service was responsive when I reached out with questions, but again, everything is filtered through the rep system. If you don't already know a consultant or want to avoid the recruitment pitch, the experience can be frustrating. On the plus side, the packaging of the products is sleek and professional, and a few of their newer launches, especially in skincare, do show potential if they reformulate with fewer irritants. So would I recommend Mary Kay? If you have a consultant you trust, and you've had good results with their products before, it might be worth exploring further. But if you're just looking for high-quality skincare or makeup, there are other brands that offer more transparency, better pricing, and less pressure to join a sales structure. If this review helped you out, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest reviews, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss future uploads.